Okay, right click in 3D window and choose simulation properties, set gravity to 0. Okay, that's another thing we can do. So we can go through here and we can set this gravity to 0 instead of gravity. And when we do that, see how it'll kind of just keep floating off into space here. So that's one way you could do this. Let's go back to our simulation properties and we'll put that gravity back down to, what was it, negative 9,800 or something like that. And then we'll go ahead and resim this. And now it should fall back down to Earth. Like so. So that's one thing you can do. Display, show wind controller. So we've got a wind controller here. So we can click this thing here, and I think if the wind's blowing this way, that's fine. And then you can activate it on, and then when you're simulating, it'll start blowing your cape. Okay, it blows in the direction of this thing here. So we can go through here, we can change that strength up to like 4,000. Ooh, so dramatic. Ooh, okay, that's quite a wind. Let's drop that down to like 2,000. So we want something a little bit more dramatic here. Whoa, did we also change the, let's go back to our simulation properties here. Okay. Is it blowing in that direction? Let's go ahead and get this off of him just a little bit here. Get off of his finger. There we go. Okay, so we got wind properties in here, and it's simulating wind. And then you know you could use gravity. You could just go through here and push and pull. You could drop your particle distance down to get a little bit more interactivity with it. But once you get it to where you like it, you can go ahead and just pause the simulation, and then you can export this as a blowing cape, for example. So there's all that. Decay sets up puffs of air. Let's try that. So we go back here and we say the decay. Yeah, 0 is just a constant wind. So let's do puffs of wind at maybe, I don't even know what the setting is supposed to be, like what a good number is. So that'll just kind of puff wind at him. So it won't just be a constant. There we go. That's a little bit better.